afternoon. This is Narendra from Nilkamal Limited. As this is a pharma exhibition which has been conducted at the High Tech City. It's for 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7th. So we Nilkamal, we are from the metal handling division. So we have around 6 to 7 different verticals. So the major one is, as it is a pharma exhibition, so we are doing warehousing, that is called Nilkamal Bito storage systems. Here we have different type of applications in storage systems like heavy duty racking. Then we have USS also. We are into pallets. We have rotomolding pallets and injection molding pallets for storing and carrying material from one place to other place. So for carrying the material from one place to another place, these are all verticals connected to one another. Like we are also into metal handling equipments. So like we have hand pallet truck, then we have manual stackers, we have forklifts and we have electric stackers. So again, coming into manufacture in-house, we are also having crates where we manufacture, and those crates we have around around 800 models in it of different variants. We have around 4 versions. Closed versions, crate with handles and perforated ones. So as per the applications at different places, they are used in different areas. So apart from that, we also have in the packing area, we are also manufacturing polypropylated corrugated boxes. And apart from that, we are also having a division called a dairy division, where we manufacture milk crates and milk cans and all. So in this particular connected pharma exhibition, we have displayed the concerned products which are mostly used in the pharma segment. Manufacturing, we have 7 plants. The main one is at Karadpada, and we have come up with a new plant in Hosur. Then in Andhra Pradesh, we don't have any plants. We have all over the country, we have around 50 offices. And our head office is in Mumbai. No. We are regularly participating in all the exhibitions. There are so many different types of exhibitions conducted, like hospitality exhibition, the pharma exhibition, then heavy engineering and all. So we Nilkamal see that we participate in the exhibition because there is no segment where our product doesn't move. It is used in every segment. There is no segment where we don't sell our product.